NMAX stock analysis is for Tuesday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Looking at Newsmax stock, honestly, man, this is, I think it's over, right? 12% down. I'm not saying it's over forever, but like it just keeps melting and melting and melting. I said, yeah, maybe if I do see some sort of double break, I'm gonna be, you know, buying and whatnot. But currently speaking, man, it's going down. Like, by no means am I gonna just sit here and just force buys. Because guess what? I've done it before. In over 41,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And not only that, I've spent tens of thousands of courses and mentors. So it's just a bearish market. It's definitely still looking to take it further lower if it makes sense. But unless there's a big catalyst or breaks above 27 bucks, I'm not buying. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will personally continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. See you in the next one.